So friends, welcome once again to my channel Program with Puzzle Pandit, and today we are going to do in this video we are going to do this program which was asked in PG Garodia school second prelim in 2025 in computer application paper. So let's read the program statement. So this is define the class called H with the following specification. What are the data members of this class? So the data members are yType. This is to store the Yacht type. One is for premium, two is for super premium. There is PH number which is long, which is phone of the customer. Normally phone number in professional application are actually string, but this is fine. String name to store the name of the customer. Int hours to store the number of hours the H is taken on the rent. Int charges to calculate and store the rental charge plus 18% GST on the total charge, right? So yeah, so we get an idea, right? So this is an H class. H is those boards, big boards, right, on C, and it's assumed that whoever is going to use the class, he must be the Yacht owner, and that owner is giving Yacht on the rate, and depending on how many hours you have used the Yacht or the customer has used the Yacht, the owner is going to get that much of charges. So right, so these are the data members: yType, phone number, name, hours, charges. What are the member methods? So there is void input, which is to input and store the details of the customer. So I think this must be yType, PH number and name, those kind of thing. Compute, to compute the rental charge. The rent for a Yacht is started on the basis of its type. So they have given a table depending on how many hours you have used the Yacht and the type of the Yacht, you have different charges. So for 2 hours premium will 1000 rupees per hour, and super premium is 3000 per hour. Likewise, and at the end, for more than 10 hours, it is just simply 10,000 for premium and 20,000 for super premium. So that way we have to program. Display is to display the details of the given format. Okay, sorry, my bad. This thing is not there. Lines are not there. So let me just remove the lines. Yeah. For if the user selected 1 for 3 hours, type 1 for 3 hours. So Yacht type will be premium, phone number will be this one, name, 3 hours, and the charges, which is let's just do in this case 3 hours, right? So that is for 5 hours, right? Between 2 hours and 5 hours. So that will be 700 into 3, which is 2100, and on top of that 18%. So whatever is come, that we have to put here. Yeah, I think this is something wrong. I think they forgot about 18% GST. Anyway, so write a main method to create an object of the class and call the above methods to the object created, and call the above methods to the object method. Write a main method to create an object of the class and call the above method to object of the creator, right? So let's just create this. I'll just create a new class which name Yacht. What's the Yacht spelling? Yeah, that's the Yacht spelling, right? YATCH. YACHT, sorry, my bad. That's Yacht, okay. So that's Yacht, that's correct. YACHT Yacht, and we'll open editor. In editor, yeah, we already have the big. What we'll do is we'll simply delete everything. And we'll just copy paste this here, right? The description, so that we do not have to go again and again here. We'll just copy paste everything, whatever the way it gets pasted, no problem. Come on. Yeah. All right, so we have this. Now let's start. So first of all, we will have private all these variables int yType, right? This is the Yacht type they have given. Then long page number, private long page number, which is the phone number. Then string name, private string name, right? And then hours, private int hours, and then what is it? Private int pen, private int hours, and the last one is charges, right? All right. Now we'll have input, right? So let's do that. Public void int, right? Input is the method name. So what we'll have to do is yeah, of course, so we'll have to have scanner. So we'll do that. Import java.util.star. I don't think we'll need lang because I don't think we are going to use any of the character functions, so no need for that. So we have, and I think scanner, let's see, do we need scanner anywhere? I think we need scanner only in input, right? Because only in input we are going to ask for everything, right? To compute the rental charges, the rent over charge is charged, right? So yeah, so all the information, right, how many hours and those things, that has been taken care of in input itself, the store details of the to compute the rental charges. They haven't given specifically, right, calculate and store the rental charges, number of hours. So should compute ask the hours, or should input ask the hours? That is not clear, right? Because we need hours, right? Yeah, because see, normally what will happen, right? Input you will call only once to get the details, that is yType, page number, and string. But hours you may call again and again. So I think, yeah, so we'll have scanner outside, so that in compute we can use that. So we'll have scanner outside, right? So private scanner SC, right? What we can do is now SC is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? Now we'll have system dot out dot println. For what we'll need first, Yacht type, right? We'll have to put that, enter the Yacht type 1 premium 2 super premium. And now y type is equal to sc dot next int, right? That way we'll get the Yacht type, right? Now again we can do the same thing for ph number. Ph number is long. The phone number, we'll have to put everything, enter the phone number, next long, because phone number is long. What we have to do is, long is not there, not yType, ph number, sorry, ph number is long. Ph number is long, sorry, my bad. Long ph number, int of sheet, right? Let me check again. What about, yeah, everything is ph number is long, right? That was correct. And now the name, right? So system.out.println, enter the name of the customer. Name of the custom. Now name is equal to sc dot next line, sorry. Instead of print, we will have println, because sometimes it get messed up with the string. Okay, so that's it. We have taken this, right? Everything we have asked. Input, right? Name, yType, and yeah. So that's our input. Input is done. Right now, what we'll do is public void compute, right? Public void compute. Now in compute, the first thing we have to do is again sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and then we'll have to ask the user enter the hours, right? Enter the hours. Let's do that print again, so that in the same line the hours will be entered. Yeah. Then hours equal to sc dot what? Hours equal to sc dot next thing. Okay. Yeah, so we have taken us, and now we also have to compute depending on the Yacht type, right? So now, and the number of hours. So we'll have a switch statement for Yacht type, right? So switch yType, right? Case 1. So 1 is premium, right? So if hours less than equal to 2, right? What we can do is charges equal to hours into 1000, isn't it? It's 1000, right? Let me just check that. Yeah, 1000, 3700, 2500, 1000, right? Else if hours less than or equal to 5, right? Charge is equal to hours into 750, correct? Else if hours less than or equal to 10, charge is equal to hours into 500, right? And at the end it is just 10,000, right? 500 per hours, and at the end it is just 10,000. Else if, yeah, no if needed, else charge is equal to 10,000, right? So that's what happens with when it is type 1. Simply case 2 is now super premium. For super premium, what we can do is we can simply copy paste this right up to here. Always be very careful with copy pasting things, because sometimes what happens, we'll forget something about typing, and then the old data will always be like that, or old code will be always be like that. So 3000, 2500 and 2000. So this is 3000, this is 2500, and this is 2000, and this is simply double 20,000, right? 20,000. So if I'm not wrong. Oh, I did change wrong thing, right? Sorry. Right, I have to change this, right? So 3000, 2500, 2000, and then 20, right? So that's case 2 default break. There is no need for default because we'll simplify. Right, and now we'll also have to add 18% into charges, right? So charges equal to charges plus charges into 18 divided by 100, right? What we can do is, what is the problem here? Unreachable statement. Oh, okay, this has to be after case statement. Alright, because after default the program is done, it will never come here. So charges into 18. Maybe what we can do is we can do 18.0. Yeah, this will give the loss problem, right? Possibly loss conversion from double to it. Yeah, that's what I thought. But maybe we can then do int again, right? Int yeah, what we can do is we can do round of charges into 18, right? So round means math dot, so that this will be converted to nearest integer and we'll get that. Yeah, so we'll have to use this because this will be long. We'll have to cast that into it. So to get that error out, we'll have to use this. Now that's it. So compute is done, and now last is just display, right? So void display. Display. Oh, we'll also have to write main method, right? So system dot out dot println. Let me just copy paste everything from here, and I'll put /t in between. Alright, /t is for tab, so this will be at least tab separated, and similarly we'll do system.out.println yType, right? yType plus tab plus ph number plus ph number plus tab plus name plus tab plus hours plus tab plus charges, and that's it, right? Because we already used print. Just let me check in read. I have used print, right? Yeah. Next, right? So charges. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. That display is done, and now the last void main. And we'll just have to create this class, right? So Yacht new Yacht, or let's say Yacht, I'll call it my Yacht equal to Yacht, right? And then we'll have to simply call these methods one by one. Yacht dot input my Yacht dot input, sorry, my Yacht, it is my Yacht, it is not your Yacht. My Yacht dot input, my Yacht dot compute, and my Yacht dot display. And I think we are done, right? So that's it. I think hours less than 2. So just make sure. See, the only place where, I mean, place the probability of getting error right here is more here in this part. So we'll just check this for hours into 10,000, hours into 700, hours to 500, hours into 3,000, 2,500, 20,000, right? And at the end, math.round charges, whatever charges we have adding 18 divided by 100 into that, and we're done. Maybe I can do this like this. 18 charges into 18 by 100. Right, that will, or 0.18. That's better, right? Charges into 0.18. That will be better. Yeah, I think that's what charges into 0.18. Simply, why to do all that thing, right? 18 divided by 100 into 7. Yeah, I think that's it, and I think this should work. So wait, where I am checking? Oh yeah, scanner I have made private, right? So okay. Yeah, so let's run. This is not next run. This is what I have read somewhere. May not matter for exam, but matters for this kind of thing. Because what happens is once you press enter, right? That's how the next line is read. Maybe that's the problem. Let's check this. Compile. Yes. Maybe only for yType, because yType is really long, right? And it's just one or two. Oh, maybe. Oh, wait. In yType, have they given premium or super premium? Oh, premium. So it's not just simple like that. Oh, this is error. See, we should have seen yType. Yeah, now it will be first, I guess. Sorry, my bad. I didn't read the program properly. So string yType, right? And then depending on your yType, you should have this, right? Switch yType. Case 1, yType equal to premium, right? Yeah, we'll have to put like this, break. Case 2. You can have if then also, no problem. yType. I think I have done some kind of spelling mistake. Super. Let me check. Switch. Yeah, switch is not captured. Yes, yType, right? That's what I thought. yType, super. And now instead of yType, we should have yType. Alright. Why is the problem? Why is CHP type? Yeah, that's fine, I think. Default. Break. I think that's fine. yType, it is giving error that yType may not be initialized. But we are taking care, right? It is initialized. So. And 5. Oh no. Yeah, so maybe have this. Doesn't right? I think that should work. Compile. How do I do that? Tools. Okay, leave it. Let's just complete this. New Yacht. Okay. Void. So type is 1 for premium. Phone number is 67894. Name of the customer is Jack Callis. Oh God, okay, it again slash was printed, but luckily it was string, so now my customer name has slash at that. R, let's say 6. Okay, so it has Yacht type premium. I didn't still giving problem like this. Okay, anyway, uh, we we just do one more thing. You just put one slash t, okay, here at put this because it is taking time, right? Maybe even after name we'll put because name is also big, right? So let's see what happens here. I don't think you need to do that. So the changes you have made is that we have added this code string Yacht type, okay, so that we will have proper Yacht type and not just one or two, because that is what the program has, right? The program has the premium or not premium, that kind of thing. And we are just doing some kind of changes for the aesthetics. So we have put double slash double t here, and after name double t we have put. Let's see if this works, otherwise it's fine. Compile, compile, new Yacht, void name, realistic supercomputer. Just make sure that it's working fine. Phone number is same. Customer is Jack Cag Jellies नहीं ठीक है चल Cag Jellies. Now we'll do Cag Jellies. And hours we'll put let's say 4 hours. Yeah, now at least it's better. Oh, after phone number I should have put double slash rather than on after name. Yeah, because okay, so whichever is the big thing, right? Just put double slash before that. Okay, so Yacht type is super premium, phone number is proper, name Jacket is hours and charges. So yeah, this is fine. So anyway, that just aesthetic may not matter, but the main thing is this program. Let's just take one more look at the program. So we define all these parameters as private. The only thing we have added is scanner because we need it two places. So public void input, and we have taken all this Yacht type and those kind of things. Line here we have to put extra next line void compute. So we have taken the hours from the user, and depending on the yType, that is Yacht type, and the hours we have computed the charges, and at that we have added multiplied it by 0.18 and added into it so that we can get 18% GST, and we'll have to do this kind of what you can adjustment so that compile error will not be there, because this math.round gives actually long and you have to convert it into it because our charges is in integer. And that's it. Then display is simply this way have to work, because depending on the yType we have 1 and 2, but we have to print premium or super premium. So for this we have to do this, and then void is simply like this. So yeah, that's the program, and I hope this will help you. And if you have any doubt, please let me ask in the comment of this video. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you very much.